What's up, guys? Look at this. I bought it, but I have a lot of work to do. But not for now. Like later. I need to change the carb because it's like damaged. Yeah, damage. The chain is kind of loose. I just tied it, but look. Still looking. I tied it like at maximum, but oh, maybe it's gonna take off. Yeah, because the chain, I was riding a spin and the chain went slow right there. I didn't snap anything, but oh shit. I don't know if it's good this, but can you see this? It's kind of loose. Oh shit. Fuck, I'm scared. Like bearings in it are smash up. Don't know. I hope not. I don't want to buy a new engine. It costs like fucking 4,000 million, billion, trillion. Yeah. So it's a Yamaha TTR. It's kind of big guy. The fuck. It's a big bike. Big bike. Yeah. A nice bike. I'm gonna turn it on, okay? Just for you. Yeah, the cap is golden. The real cap is here. Thank. It's all crack. All crack. Crack there. Don't know. It's cracked there. Yeah. Crack there. And there. And a little hole in the corner. Don't really know where. And this not mine. This from a Honda. Yeah. Let's put that in reserve and put my phone somewhere. Actually. Ah, shoot. Don't have a stand for it. Damn it. Okay. You see me? Yeah. Yeah. I feel weird. I don't know. And things to do on it. It's the carb and the engine, the top. I don't know if it's a two-stroke. I put like oil in it, 530. Yeah, I don't know. It's good. I'm fucking dumb if I did. My cousin said it was okay, so I fucking did it. Now I need to buy a new engine. Sorry. Yeah, so the guy, I know him for like 6 years, actually. He didn't really ride it a lot. Yeah. So the spark plug is actually glued in there. So if the spark plug don't work, I need to change the fucking head. Yeah. Because he said to me that the guy had actually it's a friend, my friend. When my friend bought it, the thing in here was all stripped. So yeah, he put some spark plug glue. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I sold my 3-wheeler 200 and bought that 200. Yeah. And I'm gonna sell the engine right there piece, and I'm going to buy. Actually, I want to sell it like 200, 100, 150, 150. Yeah, 150. And I'm gonna buy a new carb and check for the head. I'm checking on Amazon. Quite expensive, like $30 for the carb, and the head is like 100 something. Oh damn, bro! Seriously, that is expensive. So yeah, so this weekend or next month, I hope I can repair it and can ride it. Oh, you know what? Next month I'm gonna have no more snow. Next month we'll have no more snow. Oh, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna make a lot of video. I want to buy a GoPro too. So yeah, Tangent. I'm gonna sell it. I want to go, man. I want to sell everything. Actually, I need a job. I'm fucking stupid. Okay. Oh yeah, I want to put the LED in, but there's no battery. So yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, the LED is right here. It's not a LED. It's like nothing. I took it off because it was broken. I need to weld the wire like here. Actually, I want to put it somewhere. Need to hold or there. Actually, not there. Oh, maybe like, I don't know. Here. Actually, like it's not straight. Yeah, so here, up here. Oh yeah, right there. Actually, I'm done. Yeah, not now. I'm gonna make. Actually, these are a lot of space. Make a bracket and buy a mini battery, like 12 volt, enough for the light. And yeah, charge it every night with the charger because there's no starter on that thing. Yeah. So, need the new head. Actually, it's not even leaking from nowhere. So yeah, next year I'm gonna change it, or something like that. When I see something, see, I have good compression. Oh my god. Yeah, a lot of compression. Oh yeah. So yeah, to change it, the chain. Yeah, I have some peg, but my cousin broke one off. Well, yeah, it was bent, so he kicked it and broke off. Oh, dude, you serious? Yeah. The airbox is not modified. I want to modify. I want to put some hole in and take that rubber off. I'm gonna modify. And the carburetor, I'm gonna buy a new carburetor, not the same. I want to take the one, so I'm gonna be faster. And next video, I want to try to do a top speed. I want to see the speed. And I checked the video on YouTube. And I saw like top speed like 195 something kilometer per hour, like 60 miles, 50 miles. I don't really know. Not good in math. 50, 60 mile. Yeah. A big bike. Big bike. Yeah. So see you next video.